Hey Kansas City, it's time for our housing market update as well as our question of the month. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home team of Keller Williams, bringing you this month's market update where Metcalf South Mall used to be. And there's some exciting things going on with a new Texas Roadhouse, a Quick Trip going in, as well as a coffee shop and fitness center, which we'll hear more about in the upcoming months. Now, as far as our housing market, overall in Kansas City, we have seen a 2% increase in price this year compared to last year. And we've also seen an increase in the number of homes for sale compared to the demand of buyers, which leads us to our question of the month. If there's more homes currently for sale than there were last year, why are we still seeing multiple offers, offering over list price, etc.? And that's a great question. So for example, in Johnson County, if we look at the number of homes for sale and the demand, it really depends on the price range. So as of today, there are 122 homes for sale under $500,000. There are 120 homes for sale over $1 million. If we look at the number of buyers looking $500,000 and under, those homes are moving very quickly, having multiple offers and getting over list price because the demand is greater. If we look at the homes over $1 million, we actually have a 7-month inventory right now because of the new construction and resale amount compared to the buyers that are looking in that price range. If you're curious if this is a great move up time for you, we'd be happy to crunch the numbers and see if this is the right housing market for you to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. As always, Kansas City, let us know how we can best assist you. Catch you next month.